Hello, this is Allison, and today I'm doing my search tool tutorial on Oxford Music Database. I think Oxford Music Database is very useful, especially for searching out the works and biographical information about the musician. So I used it for my music report for music class, and the database covers musicians from classical period to contemporary period. I just find it so interesting to look at. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to find it. So now we are at the website of CSR Library, and here we can see a small category called databases, and click. And now we can see a long catalog of so many different subjects. And under the dimension of art and humanities, here's our music. And the website very kindly lists two different websites, two different databases for us to look at. And I personally find Oxford Music Online very useful, and we're using it for now. And here it goes. It's a really conclusive website, and it has so many different articles, and each one was really authoritative and credible reference to it. Yeah, and for instance, if I'm going to do my music report on Johann Sebastian Bach, I'll just type his name here. Here it goes. And now we can see so many different articles about Bach, and even some unrelated, irrelevant articles. Here, I don't think this is Bach. And to narrow down our search frame, I will use the filter here. So it's called biographical article. So when we update this, it will only show the biographical information of Johann Sebastian Bach. And for instance, if I want to do like more detailed report on Bach's life, I will use the filter here. I find it's really useful, especially when it can lead to different categories. And just click update, and the website will just filter out the desired articles for us. Another thing I find is very helpful about this database is that if we read the article, and now it can show like article content in the really simple menu here, and at the end we can see a bibliography category, and we can try to find it in our own library, which I find it really helpful, especially we're doing different comparisons about different authorities, and it can validate our search argument. So I just typically like it. And that's it. Thank you.